Let me show you how to use this yard for unique hairstyle. My name is Deck Beauty. Welcome to my page. Welcome to my channel. So this material is called Ankara. Ankara, first thing you will do, fold it into two. This is the 6 yard in total. So, and it's a very long length. So you divide it equal after folding it into two. If you divide it equal 50-50, place it on your head. This style is super unique. If you have long length of ashoke, you can achieve this style as well. So what I'm doing now, place it on your head. You don't need to stress yourself and create front plaiting. Place it on your head. See, just twist it to the front. Make sure it's very firm, it's very tight. Raise your hand and position this stick, this twisting, and now we are going to knot it at the front side. I want you to concentrate. This style is super elegant. You can use this style to do photo shoot as well. If you are going to church, you are going to events, you want to look unique, this style is very good. Okay, I want you to concentrate. After you knot it, as you can observe, I have one part in the back side, I have the other part towards the front side. So what we are going to do now, you just see it. You take it and shook it under the stick, the one with twist. Please, sorry for the way I'm explaining. I'm so sorry about that, the explanation, but it's not easy to explain. No, just focus your eye. I know with you focusing your eye, you will understand it more better than the explanation. Okay, so what I am just doing, I'm just taking it from the bottom, the material, take it from the bottom, then shook it inside that the one you twist, you bring it out, you continue until you get to the end side, the end part, like when the fabric is finished, or when you get to the end of your ear down, then you can stop this thing I'm doing now. So take it under, place it, shook it inside the twisting part. Yes, bring it out. Yes, that is it. So this part is ready. This side is ready. This side is ready. So right now we are going to do this side as well. You take the material under. You see the bottom. You take it from the bottom. You place it. That is it. This style is very easy. It's very easy. So you take it from the under, you place it. Take it from the under, you place it. Take it from the under. It's very easy. So like that, you continue. Okay. Now, I observe that there is a little bit, that line is not straight. I have to bring it out, and I have to bring it out and do it again. So if the line is not straight, bring it out and do it again. That is it. So this gele, we always, anything Headwrap, we always apply wisdom. So if you shook it in the wrong side, the line will not straight. So the one that is coming from the back, you shook it from the front side. The other side, we shook it from the back side. That is it. And people, in case you are watching me for the first time, I'm based in United Kingdom, London. This is my page. If you are watching me from Facebook, if you are watching me from YouTube, you are in the right place, because this place is a learning center. We learn. We learn makeup, we learn gele. This one is Ankara. Operation Do It Yourself. This particular exactly style, I have it with more chronic explanation. I have it on my page as well, because when I go live on Facebook, I have more time to explain. So what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to set. In case you are watching me for the first time, I do photo shoot, I do makeup, I do gele. I'm based in London. I have studio. Come and have your photo shoot. I do the traditional bridal hair. If you want to see all my work, go to my IG, go to my Instagram. You will see all my work. They are there. Okay, so right now, I just prefer to sit down so that I will continue the setup. Set it to your satisfaction. Set it to your satisfaction. You can use long ashoke to do this style as well. I have this style using ashoke. You see, this style is very unique. When you use this style to take some picture, you will see beautiful. So this is the leftover. So what we are going to do now, we just make sure we wrap it and we twist them together. We now place them, position it in the right place, because the back is very important as well. So that is it. Operation do it yourself. If you want simple gele, 2 minutes gele, 2 minutes head wrap, 3 minutes head wrap, I have everything on my YouTube. I have more than 1,000 videos. How to do makeup, how to do it on some people, how to do it on people's head, how to do it on your head as well. So that's it. You see, it's very unique. Please, I want you to leave your comment down below for me. Like this video. Don't forget to patronize me. I sell makeup product. Yes, so this is the final. Yes, all my services. These are all my services. See, screenshot this part. Mona patronize me. We did do everything. See, a bridal gele, different style of gele. Yes, so cocoa. Now we have the latest version. See, a bridal hair. We sell makeup product and oil perfume. Call my number. See you on my next video. Follow me on all my social media. Bye bye.